Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Here in this video, we are going to discuss about what is DevOps and what are the key concepts in DevOps and what is the automation, scaling, infrastructure, and why this particular DevOps is important and why companies adopt DevOps methodology. So, without further ado, let's enter into the video and have a clear understanding of what is DevOps first. First of all, a DevOps is not a technology. It is a practice, or we can say tool, combination of tools, and a culture, a philosophy that particularly aims to integrate the automation and automate the particular process between the software development and IT operations. The goal of DevOps is to shorten the software development life cycle and improves the quality as well as the continuous delivery to the end user. Okay, coming to the key concepts in DevOps, starting from collaboration. In DevOps, it particularly emphasizes the collaboration between the development and operations teams, and it breaks down the gaps between the traditional, which separates them for communication, and it helps in faster resolution of the problems and to get more cohesive, that means collaborative work environment. And the second one was continuous integration. CI and CD was the major part in DevOps, we can say. Developers in CI, continuous integration, in the name itself, it refers to developers frequently merge their particular code changes into a repository, and that particular thing will automated. Okay, that particular automation task will be done in DevOps. Okay, that is what's done in continuous integration. And if there is any like vulnerabilities or any feedback need to be triggered to the developer, it will automatically trigger that particular environment. It need to be set in the DevOps culture, DevOps methodology. Coming to the continuous delivery, it builds on CI, that means continuous integration, by ensuring that the software can be reliably released to the production environment at any particular time. It automates the delivery of code to a production-like environment and further testing also. And infrastructure as a code, it automates the infrastructure required and managing and provisioning of a computing infrastructure through mission-readable scripts. That is, there is a tool called Terraform, which automates the process of infrastructure as a code provisioning tool, and there is a tool called Ansible for configuration management, and Puppet also there. And there are wide variety of tools are there in each and every stages. And coming to the monitoring is also a crucial part in DevOps. Why? Because the continuous monitoring of application and infrastructure is definitely a real-time issue. That particular thing will identify where exactly the issue based upon the logs, and that will analyzes. Okay, the behavior of the application in the production as well as the testing environment, everything will be monitored and logged. Coming to the automation of repetitive tasks, whatever the task which is doing daily, that task need to be automated, especially like testing, deploying, and creating the infrastructure is central to the DevOps engineers especially. Okay, so this particular things need to be automated to fasten the process and to increase the deployment speed, everything. And scalability, as DevOps practices helps in building the systems that is very scalable and handle a like high load, and they need to be easier to manage the infrastructure efficiency by using especially Terraform Terraform, Ansible, Puppet for automation of infrastructure provisioning. And feedback loop, it is a important thing. Why? Because this drives further process seamlessly. Continuous feedback from operations and development ensures that the issues are addressed quickly and leading to a better quality software for and more efficient workflows. And as I said in the earlier, DevOps is just not a tools or combination of tools. It is a culture and a shift that encourages the teams to gather, to maintain togetherness and to automate the process and improve the quality and speed of the software development life cycles. And if we discuss about the importance of automation refers to using a technology that refers the task without human interventions. In the context of DevOps, automation is crucial, setting up a process and especially like a software testing, deployment, infrastructure creationing, and to automate the repetitive task which is doing manually. That will save their time, and it is a good approach, and it is a like speed up the process and everything. Okay, and we can save the obviously resources also. Coming to the scaling, I mean automation, scaling, and infrastructure is the crucial parts in DevOps. I mean the DevOps, if any organization implemented the DevOps methodology or DevSecOps methodology, the particular employees who are under DevOps or DevSecOps, they need to work on this automation, scalability, and infrastructure. Scaling is the process of adjusting the capacity of the IT resources to handle to handle any load on demand. In a DevOps context, scaling usually involves adding more servers, especially. That means increasing the storage, optimizing the database, and ensuring the application handles a higher loads without performance issues, and without affecting the current performance or current environment. It needs to be automatically scale up the environment whenever the peak loads are received for the particular request. And if there is no that much of on-demand load onto the server, then automatically it should scale down the infrastructure. And the infrastructure refers to the underlying hardware, software, networking, and that facilitates a support the development, deployment, and management of IT services. It is the underlying main core, we can say. DevOps infrastructure includes the server, storage, networking components, and all the components which are required to run one full-fledged application. With practices like infrastructure as a code, infrastructure can be managed and provisioned automatically through a code, making it earlier maintained and scale the particular infrastructure. Now, why DevOps is important? It is important. Why it is a crucial for building a bridge between the development and operations team. These are the key benefits of DevOps. It fasters the time to market, improves the collaboration between the teams, higher quality of software is need to be delivered, increase the efficiency of the software, and scalability and flexibility is increased, enhance the security, especially DevSecOps practice, and customer better experience will be received. And in conclusion, DevOps is more than just a tool. It is a practice, it's a mindset, and that enables the organizations to involve a faster adoption changes and delivers a better software, ultimately driving business success. I think so you got some idea what is DevOps and key concepts and benefits. If you have any further queries, or if you need any further videos regarding any topic, please let me know. Thank you. One more thing, I will provide the document link in description.